So 77 kilogram Greco-Roman semi-final. Machmudov of Kyrgyzstan against Singh Gurpreet of India for a Tokyo 2020 spot. Like his compatriot Sharshembekov, Machmudov, just 21 years of age, real young pool of talent coming from the country. Already, as mentioned, an Asian champion at 72 kilograms 3 years ago. We'll hope to make double delights with the Asian Championships starting next week. The referee took his time, and eventually Gurpreet managing, at least by the referee's reckoning, to have scored. No agreement on the side judges, so it's Machmudov taking the 4 points for the catching spin. Machmudov defeating Rabi Khalil of Palestine in the quarterfinals. Palestinian, 35 years of age, 2 failed qualified attempts for Rio 2016. His Olympic dreams dashed. Is Machmudov going to do the same to Gurpreet? Gurpreet took a silver medal at 77 kilograms, but that was at the 2019 Asian Championships. Has been up to 82 kilograms. Gold medalist at the Matteo Perricone, although at this event this year, just 9th. Well, explosive start. Pretty much a stalemate since. Machmudov has certainly given himself the ascendancy and a chance to try and control the fight. Gurpreet will know there will be opportunities. It's whether he'll be able to take them. So the end of the first round. Machmudov scoring early. He takes a 4-point lead into the short 30-second break. A fabulous start. Machmudov now has to try and see it through. Was a 2016 cadet world champion at 69 kilograms. Wonderful suplex to take round Gurpreet. The headlock, but with the arm tucked around Gurpreet's right. Perfectly executed. Gurpreet qualified for this semi-final after gaining revenge over Hyunwoo Kim. 12-1 victory, finishing with a pin. I say revenge because 32-year-old Korean had beaten Gurpreet in that 2019 Asian Championship final 8-0. But it will count for little if he can't earn that spot in Tokyo. At the moment it's looking an uphill struggle for the Indian athlete. He's already seen compatriot Gyanendra fall to the wayside at 60 kilograms. Can he find a response in this 77 kilogram bout? But he's been put on the back foot by Machmudov. Brilliant switch though. Couldn't do more than ejecting Machmudov from the ring. Still narrows the deficit to 3. I think an accidental contact with the face of Gurpreet. Into the final 90 seconds. Machmudov looking to make it a delightful double for Kyrgyzstan. Can Gurpreet find something late on to deny the 21-year-old Machmudov? But Machmudov has it. Gurpreet up. Can he land him? Oh, he's landed him with aplomb. A huge 5-point takedown. And Gurpreet's dreams dashed. Fabulous upper body strength. He had Gurpreet up for quite a while before finally landing. The 21-year-old from Kyrgyzstan is just waiting for that clock to tick down to celebrate a second Olympic spot at these Asian Olympic qualifiers in Almaty for his country. Gurpreet picking up another solitary point for a push out, but he'll need a much bigger score if he was to turn this one around. A little look at the clock, and Machmudov can celebrate officially. A stunning performance. You can see what it means. Well, he scored early and late to leave Gurpreet absolutely devastated. Well, good luck in Tokyo. It will be for Machmudov. 8-2 victory over Gurpreet, the 77 kilogram semi-final.
Yılga